Politics over Hathras incident rages on. Congress's Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi will be visiting Hathras today to meet the family of the 19-year-old Dalit woman who was murdered. The Gandhi siblings are going to be leaving in just about a short while from now from Delhi. A 5-member team from the scheduled caste wing of the Congress party will also be accompanying them. The borders of Hathras are sealed and prohibitory orders under Section 144 of IPC have been imposed in the district. 3 cops, part of the security team of the victim's family, have been found COVID positive. Entire village is likely to be declared a containment zone. This might obstruct the Gandhis' visit to the village. Yesterday, Congress chief Sonia Gandhi attacked the ruling Yogi government, saying that the government tried to hush up the case. Even BSP chief Mayawati has slammed the Yogi government, saying that they are not taking any stern action against the rapists.
क्या-क्या हो रहा है उत्तर प्रदेश में और आप जिम्मेदारी नहीं ले रहे हैं। आप आज भी ये बयान दे रहे हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री जी के फोन करने के बाद आपने एसआईटी जारी की है। ये पहले क्यों नहीं किया गया? 14 तारीख को क्यों नहीं किया गया? क्या आपके प्रदेश में महिलाओं की सुरक्षा की कोई चिंता नहीं है? आप जिम्मेदारी नहीं लेंगे? किस तरह के मुख्यमंत्री हैं? मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, किस तरह के मुख्यमंत्री हैं आप?
मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ, क्या लड़की होना गुनाह है? क्या गरीब की लड़की होना अपराध है? हफ्तों तक पीड़ित परिवार की न्याय की पुकार को सुना नहीं गया। पूरे मामले को दबाने की कोशिश की गई। समय पर बच्ची को सही इलाज नहीं दिया गया। हाथरस की निर्भया की मृत्यु नहीं हुई है, उसे मारा गया है। एक निष्ठुर सरकार द्वारा, उसके प्रशासन द्वारा, उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार की उपेक्षा द्वारा।
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि शायद यूपी में बीजेपी की सरकार कुछ हरकत में आएगी और यूपी में जो मन चले लोग हैं, जो बहन बेटियों का उत्पीड़न कर रहे हैं, महिलाओं का उत्पीड़न कर रहे हैं, तो उन पर ये सरकार जरूर अंकुश लगाएगी। लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ। बड़े दुख के साथ कहना पड़ता है।
Heavy security has been deployed at the Delhi-Noida highway due to Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi's visit to Hathras. We've spoken to Ranvijay Singh, the additional DCP, over the security arrangement, and here is what he had to say.
रणविजय जी, क्या अभी तैयारी है आपकी?
देखिए, हमारी रूटीन चेकिंग है। हमको लगता है कि कुछ मिसकम्युनिकेशन हो सकते हैं। हम लोग के पास किसी के मूवमेंट का कोई अभी तक इनपुट नहीं है।
लेकिन कहा जा रहा है कि जो कांग्रेस की वरिष्ठ नेता हैं प्रियंका गांधी, वो जा रही हैं, तो क्या आप उनको रोकेंगे अगर यहाँ से जाती हैं तो?
देखिए, मैं बड़ा स्पष्ट कर दूं कि कोई भी मूवमेंट इस तरह का होता है तो इन राइटिंग हम लोग के पास आता है और उसी स्ट्रक्चर के हिसाब हम काम करते हैं। एज ऑफ नाउ अभी कोई इस तरह का इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं है।
लेकिन अगर होता है इस तरीके का तो क्या आप रोकेंगे, क्या करेंगे? आपकी क्या जरूरत है?
इंस्ट्रक्शंस का वेट करेंगे। अगर कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस इस तरह का मिलता है हम लोगों को तो विल डू अकॉर्डिंगली।
Abhishek Anand is reporting from Hathras, UP. He's joining us live. Anand Patel is reporting from Delhi. First up, let's go straight across to Anand. Anand, the opposition is, of course, going to be going all guns blazing against the UP administration, Yogi Adityanath, and the manner in which this entire sequence of events have panned out. Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra are going to be visiting Hathras today, but we can expect a political face-off given the fact that prohibitory orders are in place in Hathras.
Well, yes, absolutely, Chaiti. And I can show you the visuals from here. You can see this is the DND. And from here, the convoy of Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi is likely to cross. And the Congress workers are already here chanting slogans against the Yogi government. And you can see the massive deployment here, Chaiti. A lot of police personnel are here. Ever since the TV channels started flashing out the information that the Gandhis will be going towards Hathras via DND. So you can see them all lined up here. We are told by the senior cops here that they have no instructions so far from the senior higher-ups in Lucknow whether to stop the Gandhis or not. But it's going to be a clash between the two, between the UP police and the Uttar Pradesh Congress workers led by Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. What we are told is that although the Congress workers in Hathras have applied for a permission for the Gandhis to meet the family of the victim, but the permission has not come yet. So perhaps that might be used and as an excuse to stop the Gandhis right here. The other possibility is that they'll be allowed to cross the border, but they will be stopped right before the village where Section 144 has already been imposed. The government is saying that the village has been infected by COVID. Some police personnel have tested positive, because of which the entire village has been turned into COVID. But certainly, this is politics at its play. You see, the manner in which the Congress party is trying to lash out at the UP government, the manner in which the police has handled the entire case. There is a lot of anger in the streets, and the Congress workers are protesting in entire UP. We've been getting visuals right since day before yesterday when this news came in, and protests are taking place here at DND.
Okay, hold on right there. Abhishek Anand is reporting from Hathras, is joining us at the moment. Abhishek, why is it that the entire area has been declared a containment zone? Why is it that there was a need for Section 144 and prohibitory orders to be in place in Hathras, especially in the light of the sequence of events, the way they have panned out? What is the UP administration trying to hide here?
Well, Chaiti, this is the road which leads to the village. Till yesterday, we were allowed to walk about 1.5 kilometers from here to reach the victim's house. But now, as you can see, heavy barricading, heavy police force deployment. All the reporters, all the camera persons have been stopped here. Only the government officials are allowed inside the village. The SIT, the Special Investigative Team, which was constituted by the UP government, is inside the village and it's investigating the matter. A lot of political party leaders are also here trying to barge into the village. They are sloganeering against the UP government, and now you can see heavy police deployment. All the senior police officials are here, and 3 of the cops who were deployed in the security of the victim's family were said to be found COVID positive, and that is why the entire village is going to be declared as a containment zone.
I'm going to go straight across to Anand as well for more on this. Anand, if 3 cops have tested positive, how is the entire village declared to be a containment zone? Obviously, there is more to it than meets the eye when it comes to the politics of it all. Was there a real need? Many would argue there is no need for Section 144 to be imposed in Hathras at the moment.
Well, yes, this is politics at its play, as you pointed out, Chaiti. You can see this is the reason why the UP administration is trying to stop the Gandhis from visiting the victim's village. The protests are going on here at DND and at every district. This is what we are getting to know from the Congress sources. They are protesting all the way against the UP government. You see the videos of Priyanka Gandhi, in which she has lashed out at Yogi Adityanath, who's not only the Chief Minister but also the Home Minister. So the police department comes directly under him. The officials report to him, and whatever has happened, the manner in which at 2:30 a.m. in the dark of the night, the body was cremated without the family members in the presence. So clearly the Congress party thinks that this is more to it than what meets the eye. It is not just the local administration, the DM and SP, but it is the Chief Minister himself, who is also the Home Minister, who is responsible for the entire matter. And that is the reason why Priyanka Gandhi is asking for his resignation. We have seen so many incidents.
There are just so many answers that the UP government needs to give out to all these questions that are being posed, not just by the media, but also by factions and members of the opposition party as well. Continue to stay with me. Thanks so much for joining us, Anand, for that update.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.